Hey everyone, I wanted to do an unboxing of the Braun Series 7 Clean and Renew station, as well as answer the question as to whether non-CC models will work with it. So I had the 5 before, and the 5 does not fit. The two buttons here are further away, and I actually have in the description below, as well as in the card above, the review of this and my old 5 Series razor. And then I want to, like I say, open this up. I think this one, I bought it new, but in a package. I think this was a like a separate return or something like that. But anyway, here is the station itself. Take it out of the box. And then you'll see that the size of the two are definitely considerably different. Put them next to each other, you can see that these buttons are very close to each other, and the 5s, they were very far apart. The 5, it sits up here, and the 7, it looks like it sits a little bit further down. So let's look here at my Series 7 S model here, which is the 740S-6. And so basically, if I put this in here, you'll see that it looks like the buttons line up, and I understood that that was the case. So let's give it a shot here and plug this in and show that it will charge. So I plugged this in, and as you can see, there's lights over here lit up because I do not have a cartridge in here quite yet. I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and then here are the controls. And I'm just going to take this model here and put it in, and as you can see, it is in fact charging. So you can get one of these clean and renew stations for a non-clean and renew shaver, even if it didn't come with one. So I wanted to show that in this video. I will do another video as well on review of this clean and renew station. Number of different buttons and such, and tells you about the fluids and all that kind of thing. But the main purpose of this video here was to show that even if you have a non-CC model, so if you have any 7 Series shaver, you can in fact get the 7 Series Clean and Renew station, and it will fit. They will all fit. So thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope this solved your question or answered your question. I wasn't 100% sure, but I actually read a bunch of different articles, and there was only one place that actually told me that this would work. So I'm hoping this sheds a light for other people, and we'll see you in the next video.